is really ironic. I mean, look, this is what they tell you to look at here, and that is just down here. Look at it, all this, and it's all the way along there. Look at it, it's just disgusting. Now, they're telling you to look at this. Well, that's what you're looking at. Up there, can't see the flowers, can't see the birds, can't see the dolphins. But I can definitely see all the rubbish. Look at that. Just look at the state of it, all the way along. And this is just incredible. Look at this. We'll start this end. Hola amigo, ¿cómo está? ¿Bien? Tú eres jóvenes, ¿cuántos años tiene?
14.
No, mira este. Es malo, ¿no? Venga, venga, venga. Mira, ese no es malo.
¿Qué?
Ese es malo, ¿no? Porque la gente no tiene conciencia para este.
No.
Para vos, futuro. ¿Cuántos años tienen? 14.
Sí.
En el futuro no existe porque es mucho contaminación. Got cuidado ese, amigo. Got cuidado. Got cambio de actitud. La mentalidad es mala. Ese es no. Let's just back at that side.